Struggling to get sales on Amazon KDP? The number one reason most people fail is that they are publishing books nobody is searching for. Let me show you how to fix that step by step. Go to Amazon and type in a broad word like journal or activity book. Watch the autocomplete suggestions. Those are actual searches from real customers. Phrases like journal for teen girls Christian or activity books for toddlers 1 to 3 give you clues on what's in demand. Write this down. They are your gold mine. You can build a book around one of those ideas, but there's no way to know how competitive it is or how often it's searched. That's where most beginners stall. They are guessing in the dark. And what's a waste of time when you're trying to build income? BookBolt's keyword tool shows you exact search volume, competition level, and related keywords to build stronger listings. You can see what people actually search for and build books that match demand. It's like having an insider map to what sells. Keyword research isn't optional. It's the backbone of every best-selling KDP book. If you want to save time and publish books people are actually buying, check out BookBolt through the link down below.